Hello there, welcome back. Happy Friday. You made it through our first full week of online instruction. I hope that it was fruitful and meaningful for you. This video is for the Denominators for Friday, April 3rd, 2020. Yesterday, we were talking about linear equations in point-slope form, where you were given a set of coordinates and the slope and you had to write an equation. Today, we're going to continue to build off of that. We are still talking about point-slope form, but now we are looking at point-slope form when you have been given a line and you need to write an equation in point-slope form for the line that's shown. Now, a couple of things that you need to remember before we attack and start writing this equation. First is the slope formula here. M equals y2 minus y1 divided by x2 minus x1. You also need to remember from yesterday the point-slope form is y minus y1 equals m times x minus x1. So what we're going to do first to attack this problem is we are going to find the slope of this line. We're going to use our slope formula here to do so. So we have our slope formula, m equals y2 minus y1 divided by x2 minus x1. Now, we're going to take our points from our line and we're going to plug it in to our formula and solve it. So I have -1, 3, and I have 1, 1. So I'm going to take those coordinates and plug it in. y2 would be 3 minus y1 would be 1 divided by -1 minus 1. Now, when we do the math, that equals 2 over -2. 2 divided by -2 equals -1. Now, what that means is m equals -1. So m is our slope. Since we know our slope, what we can do is we can take that and we can plug it into our point-slope form. So I have y equals y minus y1 equals m times x minus x1. Okay? Now, we know our slope is -1 from solving it using our slope form. We can plug in our -1 here. So what I have is, I have y minus y1, which is 3, equals m, the slope is -1, times x minus x1, which would be 1. Okay? And congratulations, you just wrote this line in point-slope form. Now, if you want to get really fancy, you could write it using the other point, 1.1. Now, again, let me erase this. You use the same form, which is y minus y1 equals m times x minus x1. This is the formula. Okay? Now, y would be, stay as y. y1 would be 1 equals m, which is -1, times x minus our other coordinate 1, x1. So I have y minus 1 equals -1 times x minus 1. Congratulations, you have just now written this 2 equations, not one, but 2 equations for this line in point-slope form. Now, I would like it to be your turn. I'm going to send you a link for some online questions that you're going to be answering for 5.3, writing linear equations in point-slope form. Hope you have a great weekend. Remember, if you have any questions as you're working, please log on to our office hours at 9 a.m. to 10 a.m. every day for specific questions that you may have, or you may email me throughout the day with questions as you're working. Good luck. Don't forget to email me your work each and every day. Have a great weekend. See you Monday. Bye-bye.